Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Media House Entertainment. Real quick, I'm going to tell you an app that pays real money, which is Poppy Town. This game is very amazing. It pays real, and I'm going to show you payment proof. Stick with me to the end of the game, then you understand what I mean. So you can earn money every day with this game real easy. Now I'm going to go into the game. This is the game, Poppy Town. I just discovered this game and I have made over $100 with this game. It pays real money. The only problem there is that it delays in payment. It might take
still playing those fake ass stupid money making games. Delete that bullshit. This is a 100% lucrative game.
It might take up to 30 days. And this pays real, legit. It pays paper money. So let's go into the game. Now this is Poppy Town. You can see I've made over $108 and some couple of cents there. You match the poppies. As you match, the more you match, the more your balance will increase. But there is a particular poppy that they want you to match in order for your money to add up. That is how you make the money. Your money add up when you match a particular poppy. Like this particular one here, this poppy I just dragged down here is the one I need to match. So I need to go to something similar like that, then I match it together and my money will come up here. I might either earn $1, I might either earn $2, I might either earn $4. Depends on them, because you don't know how much they're going to give you. But they don't give you more than $3. It's not something that you get rich instantly. No, it's something that it takes time, and it needs your availability or maybe your time in order for you to make money. That is Poppy Town. Then if I click there, you can see these are the list of people that have earned. This was 14 February 2021, and that was $150 sent to PayPal. Real money. This is not fake. It has the ID, the amount, the date, and the money they shared. That is it. I'm yet to withdraw mine. Then just stick with me. If you have any comments, you leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll reply you. Then I'll stick around with the game. Then I'll let you know if this is legit or this is scam. If it is legit, I'll let you know. If it is scam, I'll still let you know. Because according to their contact center, they said the money is disbursed within 30 days because they have a lot of users, people that are playing the game worldwide. So it takes time for them to disburse the money and pay everyone one after the other into their PayPal account. And while filling your information, in case you are playing the game also, while filling your information, you must make sure that you fill it correctly to avoid money loss, or you telling them people that it is scam. Thank you very much. I would stop here. Then subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification when I drop a new video telling you if this Poppy Town is legit or fake. Then if it is fake, I'll let you know 100%. If it is legit, I'll still let you know 100%. Thank you very much. Please click the like button and drop your comments, or let me know anything you have in mind in the comment section below. Goodbye.